Taiyo Tomato Ramen. Delicious. 5 out of 5, you have to try it. And let me tell you why. Taiyo Tomato Ramen is a Japanese ramen chain, originating of course in Japan. You can find this place by Taipei main station in Taiwan. For less than $10 US, you can get this delicious bowl of tomato ramen. What I have here is the tomato and cheese ramen with standard ramen noodles, and it was amazing. The cheese works really well, the tomato's very hearty. It's like a tomato bisque. It's very tasty and filling. The vegetables along with it soak up the broth really well, making everything very tasty. I was surprised by how good a ramen made from a tomato broth could be. This place was so good, I came back again, and this time we have tofu noodles. This is the tomato curry broth with tofu noodles. I did not know you can make noodles out of tofu, but they did it, and they did a great job. If anything, it's a unique taste, but the texture is a lot like ramen noodles, making it extra tasty. This is the omelet cheese ramen tomato noodles. There's lots of words to it, but everything is amazing. If you've never had it, this is a healthy alternative so you feel less guilty, and it's delicious. I had to give it 5 out of 5 because everything was really good. Especially this mix of curry taste and tomato bisque broth. It's pretty thick, very satisfying. It's like the ultimate combination of those two elements. They mixed it together and they mixed it perfectly. Here we have the dessert. It's a yogurt with honey. I had the yogurt without mixing it and realized it didn't taste good. Mixed in the honey immediately, and then the taste went up significantly. Additionally, I also had the potato croquette, which was okay, nothing too special. And I also had the karaage chicken, which was also okay, but what stood out the most at this place was their tomato ramen and their tofu noodles. So if you're ever around Taipei main station or in Japan, give Taiyo Tomato a shot, and you won't be disappointed. Oh, best of all, they don't have a 10% service fee. Many restaurants around Taipei main station or the touristy areas will charge tourists, or pretty much everybody, an extra 10% to their bill. Alright, until next time.